this is how I do my really thin liner. I go to Spotlight and find the tiniest brushes they have in their craft section. I found this little one here, and I found one that was a little bit smaller, which is the one that I end up using. I swear it has like 3 hairs in it. These are the ones I got, very nice. And then I use the Inglot Gel Liner, the Duraline, and that's the 88 Gel Liner there. Mix it on the back of your hand with a little drop of Duraline. Mix, and then roll it out until you get a really fine point. Just go straight in. A nice fluid line, and then I'm just going to thicken it up at the base a little bit and connect about halfway to that line. Next I'm going to go just straight along the lash line just to give a bit more definition between the lashes. And then we're going to thicken up that outer corner again for some more definition and drama. We're going to go back and connect that to the middle of our lash line, just about. And there we go, done and stun. Add some mascara and Bob's your uncle.